Thermostat wiring tells your furnace to start cooling when the thermostat connects the 24-volt hot wire to the correct control wires so the air conditioner and blower receive power. The thermostat typically has a red wire that is the 24-volt supply, a yellow wire that signals the compressor contactor, and a green wire that calls for the blower fan. When you set cooling at the thermostat, it internally ties red to yellow and green in the correct sequence, so both the condenser and indoor fan run. Start by verifying you have 24 volts between the red and common at the thermostat and again at the air handler control board to rule out transformer failure. If voltage is present at red but missing at yellow on call, test continuity through the thermostat or use a meter to short red to yellow at the thermostat terminals to simulate a call for cooling. If shorting red to yellow energizes the outside unit but the fan does not run, check red to green continuity and then measure 24 volts at the blower relay coil on the control board when the thermostat is calling. A missing 24 volt signal at the control board indicates either a broken wire, poor terminal connection, or failed thermostat. For hardwired replacements, transfer wires 1 to 1 and verify the replacement thermostat supports common or battery operation. If the new stat needs a common wire and you do not have one, install a thermostat power kit at the air handler or choose a model that supports power stealing only after confirming compatibility with your furnace control board. Always turn off power at the service switch before disconnecting wires, label each conductor, and after wiring, force a call for cooling, and watch for 24 volts at yellow and green on the control board, while the compressor contactor pulls in and the indoor fan relay energizes. Use a clamp meter to confirm blower motor current draw is within manufacturer normal range, and inspect the contactor and relay for pitted contacts, which can cause intermittent cooling calls. Replace or clean contacts per manufacturer torque and part specifications. If the outdoor unit runs but indoor airflow is absent, suspect fan relay failure or a control board that does not connect green to blower relay. Swap in a known good relay or bench test the board outputs before replacing expensive assemblies. Keep a wiring diagram or take a photo before you change anything so you can restore original connections and avoid common cross-wiring mistakes. One of the most frequent thermostat wiring mistakes is mislabeling or mixing up the red, yellow, and green wires, which leads to no cooling or no fan operation. Fix this by labeling wires at both ends, using a meter to verify continuity, and following the common color to function mapping during installation. One of the other common issues is missing common wire causing new digital thermostats to fail or behave erratically. The solution is to install a proper common conductor from the air handler transformer or add a manufacturer-approved power adapter kit. One of the third typical problems is assuming 24 volt presence at the thermostat equals a healthy control board. Voltage can be present at red but lost at yellow or green due to broken traces or bad terminals. Trace voltage all the way to the control board. Inspect screw terminals for corrosion, and test relays and contactor coils directly. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC contractors and provides homeowner reviews and licensing details to help you quickly find a qualified technician for thermostat wiring or replacement. For contractors, the directory generates leads by connecting their service profiles with homeowners actively searching for trusted local help.